This is a pack of 3D filament for use in 3D printers or 3D pens. You can use it in either. It's 1.75 millimeter, I believe. This particular filament is PLA. There is both PLA and ABS filament. And the difference between PLA and ABS is mainly the melting point. The PLA has a lower melting point, so some people prefer that. ABS, well, PLA will melt at between 180 and 200 degrees Celsius, whereas ABS melts higher. It's 210 to 240 degrees Celsius. Both PLA and ABS are strong. ABS might be a little bit stronger than PLA, but PLA definitely doesn't have the bad smell that ABS does, and that's another reason why people prefer this stuff to the ABS. It's a little bit stickier than ABS, so that kind of comes into play, especially with a 3D pen. It's a little bit harder to work with, but ABS also shrinks after it exits the extruder, whereas PLA does not shrink. So you get 8 colors, and this will last you quite a while. Just standard filament, but it's a good deal.